Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast with vanilla ice cream. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like eggs, milk, and bread. Make sure you have a good quality loaf, perhaps brioche or challah, for the best texture. Next, prepare your batter by whisking the wet ingredients together in a shallow dish. This foundational step ensures a perfectly coated slice every time. To create the perfect batter, crack 3 large eggs into a shallow bowl. Add 1/2 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of ground cinnamon. This mixture is now ready for your bread. Now it's time to cook. Heat a griddle or large skillet over medium heat and add a small pat of butter. Dip each slice of bread into your prepared batter, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Place the soaked bread onto the hot griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until each piece is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Repeat with remaining slices. Once your French toast is cooked, arrange the warm slices on a serving plate. The final touch is the best part. Add a generous scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream right on top. For an extra treat, drizzle with maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. This delightful combination of warm toast and cold ice cream is truly a perfect indulgence. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.